Okay, hello. Let's go back to number 1, potato. Number 1. Come on, please read number 1.
Ow.
It's small. Come on, number 1.
It's small, black and yellow. It can fly. Let's sound like me.
Okay, a small animal that has a black and yellow, and that name sounds like me. It makes the sound. Oh, what is that?
A fly.
Is it a fly? A fly doesn't have the sound as me. It has a. Oh, you can hear it like that. What is that? Is it a fly? That's not a fly. What is that? It's a. It has like that. It makes me. What is that?
Bat.
A bat? A bat doesn't have black and yellow color. What is it? This one is correct. The one you pointed is correct. And it makes honey. Oh, an animal that makes a honey. What is that? Yeah, potato. It makes honey. What is it?
Make honey.
It makes honey. It likes to go from one flower to another.
It's a bee.
Let's check. Very good. It's a bee. Next, potato number 2. Read number 2. Go, potato number 2. It's always. Potato, read number 3. Number 2.
It's always hungry and it has a little bread. It sounds
Beard.
like Bob.
It's always hungry and it has a little beard. It sounds like a boat. What is that? The name has a sound like boat. What is it? It's a potato. Potato, what is it?
You have a little bread. And then sound like Bob.
It's a
And then it's
no, not that one. Not that one. The other one.
bat.
A bat? No. The name sounds like boat. This one, what do you call to this animal? What is this animal? It's a, what is that?
Goat.
It's a goat. Correct. Number 3. How about let's go to number 3. Number 3, potato. It's very.
It's very small and it's cheese. It sounds like house.
Okay. An animal that's small and it likes to eat cheese. The name sounds like a house. It's a. Small animal.
Here.
Yeah, that one. What do you call to that? Mine or we call it other name. Singular mouse. Okay, next. How about number 4? Number 4, potato, read.
Number 4. It's green, it's jumping around. it sounds like dog.
Okay. It's green and it jumps very well. It sounds like a dog. What is it? What is that? What is it? Yeah. It's color green.
Is it is it a frog?
Very good. It's a frog. Next, number 5. Number 5.
Number 5. Number 5 is grass. It sounds like no.
Okay, it eats grass and it sounds like now. What is that?
It's a moon.
What moon? What's the name of the moon? What's the real name of it? It's
a cow.
cow. Correct. Very good. Next, number 6. What's number 6? It sings. Go. Come on.
It sings and sometimes it indicates. It sounds like words.
Okay. It sings and sometimes lives in a cage. It sounds like word. What is that? You put them in the cage and it sings. What do you think is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's near the cow. It's near the cow picture. What is that? Near the cow's picture.
Yeah?
Yeah, near the cow. No, not that one. The other one on the left side. Potato on the left side. No,
Yeah.
upper. The one above it. Above it. Near the cow.
Near the cow. Near the cow. Near the cow.
Near the cow. Left side of cow.
No.
Oh,
Yeah?
that's a cow. That's a cow. How about in the left side? Left side of it.
No.
Where is it? Left side. Oh, that's too much. The other one, in the right side.
Yeah?
Oh, no. You're too far. You're too far already. This one. What is that?
A bird.
A bird. It sounds like a word. Word, bird. Word, bird. Okay, next. Potato, number 7. What's number 7? Read number 7. It lives. Go. Come on, read properly. Number 7. It lives.
We live in the sea. I am fragrant. I sound like
Frightened of it. It
park.
sounds like a park. What is it? An animal that lives in the sea, and I'm frightened of it. It sounds like park. What is it? Lives in the sea. And many people are afraid of it. Yeah, what is that? What is it, potato?
It's a shark.
Okay, correct. It's a shark. Next, number 8. What's number 8? It has
It has no leg and makes some
noise like. Oh, it sounds like a Go.
No. It sounds like a cake.
Okay. It sounds like a cake. Okay, what is it? It has no legs and makes a noise like "s." It sounds like a cake. What do you think is the answer?
It's not.
Hmm? What is it, potato? No legs.
Yes.
And
It's
it's
a snake.
oh, very good. Next, number 9. How about number 9? It's really
It's very big and swimming sea. It loud sound like tail.
okay. It's really big and swims in the sea. It sounds like a tail. What is that?
It's a whale.
Okay, a whale. Next, number 10. Last number.
It's still that not. It sound like pad.
Okay. It
It
flies at night. It sounds like that. What is it?
Bye. 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 This is a bat.
Okay, very good. Great job, Potato. You were able to tell the names of these animals being described in each picture. Great work. Okay. Now here, Potato, I want you to listen to the audio, okay? Listen, and then I have a question for you. So what is the title of this? Peter's, come on, Potato, please read. Peter's.
Is a picture day at Zoom.
Okay, so there are questions here, Potato. Example, who is with Peter? What can Peter see? Favorite animals? What are the animals that can ride on and want to buy? Potato, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, listen.
I don't listen it.
You can't listen?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Okay, here.
2E.
Hey there, can you
Animals,
now?
animals. Listen
Okay.
and look. There is one example.
Hello, Grandma. I'm at the zoo.
Hello, Peter. Wow! Which zoo?
I'm at World Zoo. You spell that W-O-R-L-D.
World Zoo. It's great there.
I know.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1,
Who are you with?
I'm here with Mum.
So you're there with Mum. That's nice.
Okay, Potato. Who is with Peter?
It's Mom.
Okay. Next.
2E.
No.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write.
Here with Mum.
So you're there with Mum. That's nice.
Yes, I'm talking to you on her phone.
Oh,
2.
Where are you now?
We're by the cafe.
What can you see?
What
I'm
can you
looking
see?
at 5 monkeys.
How many monkeys?
They've got really funny faces.
5 monkeys. I love monkeys.
Me too.
3.
Are monkeys your favourite animals?
No, they aren't.
So which animals do you like best?
The dolphins. They're very good at jumping.
Yes, dolphins can swim very well too.
I know, Grandma.
4.
You can ride some animals here.
Which animals?
You can ride a horse. It's really big.
You can ride a horse there?
Yes, Grandma. I'm not frightened of that.
5.
There's a shop here too.
What can you buy there?
Well, I want to buy a book. I'd like a new book.
Good idea.
Oh, Grandma! There's a penguin! It's standing by my foot!
What?
Sorry, Grandma. I've got to go now. Bye.
Alright, so Potato, we're done listening to Peter stay at the zoo. Potato, what is the name again of the zoo where Peter went to? What's the name of the zoo? It's
Warzone.
World Zoo. Very good. Potato, who is with Peter?
It's Mom.
Mom. Let's check if it's mom. Very good. And Potato, how many monkeys did Peter saw at the zoo? Potato? Hello? Okay, Potato.
Favorite animal.
How many monkeys?
5.
5 monkeys. Correct. How about the favorite animal of Peter? What is Peter's favorite animal? It's
It's dolphin.
dolphin. And how about what animal can Peter ride on? What animal can Peter ride on?
Horse.
It's a horse. Next year. How about what do you think does Peter wants to buy? What does he wants to buy?
It's a boat.
It's a book. Very good. Good job, Potato. It means that you are listening well because you were able to answer all these 5 questions. Okay, so there you go, Potato. We finished Unit 2. Now, let's go to Unit number 3. Okay, let's do Unit 3. Oh, sorry. Wait me. Unit 3. Okay, Potato, what is Unit 3 all about? What's Unit 3 all about?
Fun at the farm.
Okay, fun at the farm. Okay, but first, let's read first the following. Okay, Potato, what's the first one? What's this animal? It's a
It's a cow.
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 Next, how about this one? What is this?
The ship.
A
Sheep.
sheep. Next, the third one is a
Horse.
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 Okay, very good. So we have cow, sheep, and a horse. Next, how about this third animal? What is this?
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Next. What's next?
Duck. Kitten.
Duck.
Correct. And
Chicken.
Chicken.
correct. Next. How about this one? What's this?
Fly.
Fly. And this one?
Climb. Swim.
Climb.
And this one is? What's that?
Swim.
Okay.
Swim.
All right. So potato. I have here a word. Please read the word a cloud. Again, please read. Potato, read a cloud.
A cloud.
Next,
A
a
field.
field,
A
a
truck.
truck, a roof,
A chicken.
a chicken,
A rabbit.
a rabbit, a
A
duck,
kitchen.
a kitten,
A kitten. A restaurant.
a tractor. Okay, potato. Draw lines where are these words are. For example, cloud. You make a line from the word cloud going to the picture of the cloud. Okay? Potato, where is the field? Can you
Okay.
go? Okay, go. Okay, I'll give you time to do it.
Nè.
Come on, draw lines to connect the word to its picture.
Okay. Nè. Các bạn biết làm sao nhỉ?
Potato.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, potato, come on, continue. Draw a line towards the cloud, field, truck, roof, kitchen, a chicken, rabbit. Come on, draw lines.
Hả? Cô lão hả? Truck. Chicken. Alright.
Con ơi, áo khoác của con là áo khoác gì? Có giống hoàng hà này không? Con ơi, áo của con là cái gì? Áo của con là áo khoác với hoàng
Potato,
hà.
look at your roof. Is that a roof?
Màu đỏ.
Look at the roof. Is it a correct roof?
No.
Oh, careful with the answer.
Đúng không nào? Đúng này. Con sai số bao nhiêu? Của con số bao nhiêu bỏ ra đi mẹ thử bảo hoàng hà rồi. 6.
Duck.
Vậy rồi mấy?
Kitchen.
Wait, where? It's erased again.
Ready. Truck. Chicken. Truck. Kitchen. Here.
Okay, let's check now your answers. All right, so look at here. We have the following words. Field is correct. Truck is correct. Roof is correct. Chicken, correct. Rabbit, correct. Next, dog is correct. Kitten, very good. And tractor, great job, Potato. Very good. Okay, great work. Now let's move. Now here, Potato, I have questions. Potato, listen carefully. Potato, how many chickens
How many
can...
chickens can you see?
Okay, how many chickens can you see?
I see 5 chickens.
Okay, I see 5 chickens. Next, please read. How
many potatoes are on the ground?
Okay, potatoes. There's S. Pronounce letter S. Potatoes
Potatoes.
are on the ground.
4.
There are, again, there are.
4 potatoes.
Okay, next question.
Where is the rabbit?
Where is the rabbit?
The rabbit is high in the tree.
Hiding or behind the tree. Again, the rabbit. Again, the rabbit is... Potato, the rabbit.
Rabbit is hiding in the tree.
Okay, hiding or behind the tree. Next, how about the 4th question? Please read. Where's...
In the woman.
Okay, where's the woman?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's the woman? Where is she? She
The
is...
woman is... She is... I don't know.
She is near the...
She is near the house.
Near the house. And look at Potato. What is the woman doing near the house? What is she doing?
What is she doing? She is... chicken and...
She is feeding. Again, feeding.
She is chicken.
Again, she is feeding the chicken. Again.
She is feeding the chicken.
Okay, next. Where? Come on.
Where a tractor?
Where's the tractor?
A tractor is near the house.
Near the house. Last question, Potato. What's your
favorite animal in the picture?
Okay, what's your favorite animal in the picture?
Is it a dog?
Why you chose the dog, Potato?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Why do you chose the dog?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Do you like
Yeah.
dogs?
Yes, I stop.
Oh, are you not afraid to be bitten by the dog? You don't like,
Yeah.
you don't, oh, you're not scared. Potato is so brave. Okay.
I stop.
Oh, you like dog. Okay. Potato, we will end here because it's already time. Okay. So we finished already the unit 2, but we are not done yet with unit 3. Okay. So next week,
Yeah.
we will continue unit number 3. Okay. Potato, next time, you read properly. Okay. Potato, next time, listen. You read properly. You can read, but sometimes you don't read it properly. You read fast. Do not read so fast. Okay? You just have to read properly. Okay? So goodbye for now, Potato.
Goodbye,
See you next
teacher.
time. Bye-bye. Take
See you.
care.